Okay, you guys, so I just got home and I'm in my room right now, and so I just made 2 sales on, you know, my business. I'm making a video about that later, so I'm not gonna say too much, but I just made 2 sales, so I'm about to show y'all how I package and all that right now. And I'm about to pack. So I have my shipping labels, which I'm about to try and use them because I never used these before. And then I got my packaging tape. My packaging tape, and then these are labels, and then I have my poly bag, and then I have thank you cards, and then thank you stickers, and tissue paper because I like to fill up the package. So I'm gonna print the labels first. I don't know how to use them, actually. I think I just insert them into the printer. We're gonna do a test run. Okay, so I usually do this on my phone, but I'm gonna go to my phone. So I had to see how to get it up on my computer. Okay, y'all can kind of see. I don't really want y'all to see, but like, y'all can see like the sale items. So I'm just gonna go on there and get the shipping labels off of there. So yeah, okay. So I'm about to put these in the printer and see how they work. So you just first print shipping label. The shipping label is gonna expire. Hold on, boo boo kitty. There go the shipping label. You know, I have to cover it up. So I'm just gonna try to insert this in here and see if it works. I'm just gonna put a bunch in there because yeah, I spent my money on these. I guess it was just testing the paper out. Okay, so they went through, which is good. So it knows it's loaded now. Y'all can't see my face. Now I press print. Please work. Work! It sounds like it's crinkling. That's not good. It worked! It always sounds like a dragon. Oh my god. Oh wait, I don't want y'all to see this lady's address. Oh my god, it worked! Oh my god. Oh my god, it worked. It's a little crooked, I do have to say, but it's sticky, which is a plus. Now I guess I can just flip it the other. Would that be ghetto if I did that? I don't want it to print on top. So do I put it in this way? Okay, so I'm gonna put in the label backwards and see if that works. I can print out another one on top of it. Just testing this bad boy out. Please don't print on top of the other one. Daddy, chill.
All of you!
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
Oh my gosh. So, okay. I see. I'm gonna put it in again. Guys, I'm gonna put it in again. Yeah. Thought it couldn't get worse. I'm putting it in again. So I'm gonna print it. I tried to flip it this way now, because I flipped it the wrong way. No duh. People keep following me. Let's see if this works, because I want to use both sides of the page. Pay for both sides of the page. You guys. Oh. Oh. It's quite ghetto. Quite like all over the place. So, yeah. Maybe I can like. Okay, second run, because that is a total fail. But we're getting somewhere. I bought like 30 of these. Okay, make sure it's loaded right. Maybe I loaded it. No, it's loaded right. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna try to see. So I'm gonna try this again. Cause that, whoa! I'm on a shipping label. So that was a catastrophe. So maybe I can edit it and make it as to where. Make it where the label isn't in Hawaii. No, I'm just gonna print it right now. I don't have time for that right now. Hey, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, first one was successful. Now what I'm gonna do is just flip it. How did I do that last time? I just got very stuck. Oh, blank side down. Blank side down. Got it. Okay. No. Wait, which one did I print just now? Oops, I printed the wrong one. Okay, now we're gonna do blank side down and try to print the second one on there. Ooh, it just moved to the side. So it's gonna be messed up again. Grr. I don't know if this is still usable. It keeps like, okay, I don't want to show you the address, but maybe I can just block it out. But it keeps printing to the side. It's usable. I'm gonna learn how to use these a little bit later. Right now, I just don't have the patience or the time. Y'all saw how my first label went. I just don't have time. So we're just gonna go with the flow. I'm gonna call her Ketchup. Ketchup. Where'd the purses go? Oh. Ketchup's was. This is what Ketchup bought. Yeah. It's like metallic-y. I don't know. So Ketchup bought that. And hers is the messed up one. What if it doesn't ship because it's messed up? I think all you need is a barcode. So hopefully. So I'm gonna ship it in this cute little thing. I want y'all to see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna ship it in this cute little poly mailer. And what I do for so much stuff, bro. I just ordered these, so I've never used them. So I'm gonna do first is just take some of this tissue paper that I got from like Dollar Tree, LOL, and then just gonna wrap it all cute up in here. Oh, that ain't cute. I guess the strap could just like go in the back. Oh, they got a tag on it. I want to put a ring on the finger.
The ring on my finger. Put it on and make him wanna marry me. Yeah. Put it on and make him wanna marry me.
I don't want to rip it, but. Huh? Okay. So. Yeah, there we go. Now you just wrap it up like you're wrapping a gift. I actually meant to go buy some more thank you cards because I'm almost out. This looks ghetto. I promise it's not. I really promise that it's not ghetto. Well, at least it's not going to come out ghetto for the most part. And there we go. And now I'm gonna take it and put it inside our poly mailer. Just right side up. Okay, yeah. And there we go. So inside the poly mailer, all cutely wrapped. I've actually never used these before. I said that like 3 times. And then we're gonna take the shipping label, which now they're sticky. At first they weren't sticky, so I had to like tape it on there. Just gonna peel that baby off. Don't look at her edges, please. Oh, it's still showable. Oh, okay. Anyways, we're gonna peel that baby off. Y'all, it's so, I know y'all can see it from the back. It's so sideways, but I think that's fine. I should have actually did this. I am unbelievable. This is like my 3rd time recording in slow-mo. So look at this. Y'all, if this child called me one more time in the middle of my video. Anyway, so you peel that beautiful baby off. And then you just fold it. Actually, I don't know how to fold it. It's smaller, so I want to make it smaller. I guess you can just... Oh no, the shipping label is at the top. So I'm just gonna fold that over. Y'all didn't see me just do that. It's okay. So I just stuck it like that. And then the shipping label is a little bit ghetto, I do have to say. But I'm gonna get it. Oh. Y'all, I didn't put a thank you card in there. That's what I get for running my mouth. Oh my gosh, it's fine because I put a thank you sticker in there. So I usually put thank you cards in all the packages because I just think that's cute. So that's package number 1. I'm not gonna put package number 2 in the green because it's a little bit more fragile, like a jewelry piece. So I'm gonna use a store-bought one, even though I pay good money for the green ones. So I don't want to say what I sell, but you know, I don't sell like a lot of fragile items, but I do have a few. So I just made sure I got these. So now I'm just about to put this in here, but I'm gonna do that off camera. And I gotta make my little thank you note. And then tomorrow, since it's Sunday, tomorrow I'm gonna ship them out and then notify the buyer, and then that's about it. So I'm gonna do this off camera. Hi guys, so we're out shipping packages right now. And they're taking forever, but it's fine. So that's it. Wait, that's it. Can I put more? Is it